Online activities are the dynamic heart of blended learning, providing a rich and interactive complement to traditional classroom instruction. In this video, I'll guide you through setting up online activities in the author system. In the author system, there are two types of activities: individual and group activities. To set up an activity, start by clicking on Create New Activity. Next, enter a name for the activity. Then, input the appropriate SLT, student learning time value in minutes. Click Save. You'll notice that the activity appears in red. This indicates that it is not yet visible to students. To make the activity visible, click on the red symbol. Now, click on the name of the activity. A new window will open where you can set up the instructions for the activity. Click Add Note to write the instructions. When the text box opens, type in your instructions for the students. For this example, I'm asking students to create a mind map based on the provided PDF document. You can format the text to make it more presentable. To upload the PDF document or any other content, click Upload. Locate the document on your computer and click Open. Wait for the document to upload. Finally, click Save. Great! You've successfully set up an online activity. To update the total SLT and PTG percentage, simply refresh your browser. You'll see that the total SLT for online activities has been updated. In the next video, I'll guide you through setting up online assessments in the author system. Stay tuned. Thanks for watching.